Be ready, start. In 2022, India will complete 75 years of victory. To mark the 75th anniversary of India's independence, the Government of India decided to pay homage to freedom fighters as well as celebrate the long history of India. In order to celebrate this festival, various programs have been planned and the celebration has been named as the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by the Government of India. One of the programs under this celebration is Har Ghar Tiranga all over the country. The campaign appeal people to hoist the national flag at their homes on 13 to 15 August 2022 throughout the country. On 22nd July 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi requested people to participate in this program. According to him, with the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, the spirit of patriotism will be raised to the highest level. It will also spread awareness regarding the importance of the national flag. The main aim of this campaign is to encourage more and more people to hoist the national flag in their homes. This will not only help citizens to connect personally with the flag but also generate respect for the national flag. Freedom fighters can also be honored with this celebration. Many events and competitions will be organized under this event. It also allows people to virtually participate in the events through the respective websites. So it is up to all of us to ensure that this government campaign is a success by participating in it so that it can bring a successful end to the campaign. An official flag of a country is a symbol of the country as a whole. This symbol depicts the country's past, present, and future all in a single image. In the same way that a flag represents a country, our Indian flag represents the country of India. There is a lot of meaning to the flag for us. It makes us feel proud. To make our flag more important, a campaign Har Ghar Tiranga is initiated in India. Tiranga or the national flag of India holds great significance for the people of the country. The national flag of India symbolizes peace, love, and unity. Many freedom fighters lost their lives in making India independent. It represents their priceless sacrifice. Earlier, many designs and colors were used for the flag. The original form of the flag that we see today was adopted on 22nd July 1947 by the Constituent Assembly. It was designed by Venkaiah and consists of three equal strips of saffron, white, and green. The flag code of India regulates the display and usage of the flag. The national flag Tiranga represents India as an independent republic. The celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav organizes many events and programs. One such campaign is Har Ghar Tiranga. The government of India is responsible for launching this campaign. This program has been approved by the Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah as he oversees all activities under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. On 22nd July 2022, Friday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced this campaign and requested the people of India to make this a huge success. Earlier, the flag was used only for institutional functions and national occasions. At homes and institutions, people will be able to connect with the flag on a personal level. This campaign will help to aware people of the importance of our flag. This celebration can also be seen as a tribute to all the freedom fighters. The Har Ghar Tiranga campaign will help to raise patriotism and nationalism among citizens of India. It is also a good way to reflect our commitment as a nation. As a result, the respect for our national flag will be increased. Additionally, the campaign will remind Indian citizens of their responsibilities toward the nation. Over the last 75 years since India attained independence, it has made tremendous progress in every area. Our country has made enormous progress in the fields of science and technology, medical science, and a variety of other fields in addition to the fields listed above. We are now at a very good point in our development, and this is a very good time to celebrate it. Thus, the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is something that every Indian citizen must take part in and be very proud of. There is nothing more proud as an Indian than to be a part of this country and celebration. Many programs and competitions are being organized. People can also participate in this campaign virtually through the website. The main objective is to strengthen people's relationship with the tricolor. In the earlier times, there was a rule to put the flag only in government buildings and some institutions, but the government has changed this rule and to increase the national spirit. Though the Har Ghar Tricolor campaign, the citizens of the country have to be reminded of their responsibility towards the country. To add more and more people, the government has also arranged for registration. For this, you have to go to its official website and get yourself registered by visiting here. Every resident of the country can put up the national flag in his house, but to install it, you have to pay attention to some things. You always have the national flag at the highest place in your house from where the flag is clearly visible. Apart from this, you should never display disrespected or damaged flags. In the last 75 years after India got independence, the country has made tremendous progress in every field. Today, India has started being counted as an almighty country on the world's table as we are setting new records in every field day by day. So the day is not far when India's sting in the whole world. It will ring and it will be a matter of pride for all of us Indians.